AMC Capital wishes you a happy and prosperous Diwali to all my valued investors and clients. We are happy to announce that we are SEBI registered entity and gives you the daily updates of financial markets as well as currency and commodity. We launched a great career opportunity like AMC Capital is a company of financial growth, career support and advancement of financial and accounting system. So don't waste your time. Every financial needs have a current and good solution for AMC Capital. So come and join us in our Telegram group so we can give you the daily updates like commodity, currency and financial any updations. So we have a Facebook and WhatsApp group, so you can get all the details from our Facebook sites and as well as our WhatsApp group. So every details has been given to you for your daily needs and support. Thank you সবাইকে অনেক অনেক কালী পুজো এবং দীপাবলির শুভেচ্ছা। ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। থ্যাংক ইউ।